Today we're going to show you how to install this Silverstar Ultra H11 headlight. This is a two-pack, but we're only going to install one because our other headlight is still running fine. I've opened the package and I've taken one of the bulbs out. This is what it looks like, and you can see here it should be as easy as plug and play, but let's go ahead and find out. You can see here our right headlight is working just fine, but our left one is burnt out, so we're going to go ahead and remove the old bulb first. We went ahead to open the hood of the car and we're just reaching inside to remove the old bulb. We found the bulb and will detach it from the plug, but it seems that it's plugged in very tightly and we're at an awkward angle, so we're going to get a screwdriver to help pry it out of the plug. So that was pretty easy. The old bulb is now removed and the new one is ready to be plugged in. Once it's plugged in, it would be a good idea to just double check it to make sure it's tightly plugged in. If everything looks good, just tuck the light back inside. It may take a few tries to get the bulb tucked into the right position inside, especially if you're working in the dark at an awkward angle like we are. But once it's tucked in, you're good to go. And now let's go ahead and test the headlight and make sure it works.